Smoked salmon on the table, and Logan happily digging in. A pretty good end of the year. We were out on the frozen lake, walking on clear ice, tools in hand, and ready for a day of ice fishing and enjoying the rare gift of bare ice. The ice was solid, around 30 to 40 centimeters thick, strong enough to hold us without a doubt. After weeks of thaw and no snow, the lake was smooth and open, perfect for skating and perfect for fishing. We drilled a hole, set everything up, and spent the day outside, moving slowly, enjoying the quiet and the openness of the lake.
Let op, hè. 1, 2.
Knikkie aan de kant.
Ga naar mama. Nog een shit.
Zelf gekocht in de winkel. Schat, zullen we net doen alsof wij deze vis hebben gevangen?
And to be honest, we can only dream about catching one ourselves. And on New Year's Eve, the Dutch classics oliebollen cannot be missing. Earlier this week, Storm Johannes passed us. We were incredibly lucky. No damage to the house, no fallen trees around us, only one at the end of the driveway. And even more surprising, we didn't lose power at all, which is almost unheard of in this area. We know others weren't as fortunate, and our thoughts are with them. A few days later, we headed into town, something we usually do about once every 2 weeks. Groceries, errands, everything we need. But this day felt extra special. For the first time in weeks, we saw the sun again.
Is lekker? Is lang geleden.
Oh, heerlijk. Living just below a hill means that in winter, the sun doesn't always reach our home. So when it does, you really feel it.
Logan. Geef mama maar een kusje.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, dat is lief. Dat is lief.
And then, suddenly, it was the 1st of January 2026.
Ben je ijs aan het eten? Lekker? Wie zo? Zo.
We could not have asked for a better start. Fresh snow, finally covering the ground. Of course we had to go outside and play for a bit.
Lekker?
Logan
Nog een.
plays like the world is brand new. Snow in his hair, hands numb from the cold. Dirk running circles around us. We don't rush it. We just let the moment happen.
Daar is hij. Ja! Oei. Oei.
Hoi. Mama kus?
Nee.
Lekker nou.
Daar is hij.
Mama kus? Logie, mag mama een kusje? Hey, mag mama een kusje? Nee? Oké. Mwah! Watching the road being cleared, a massive tractor making quick work of it, is still something that never gets old. A new year begins. Snow on the ground, cold air in our lungs, and the world quietly resetting around us. It's the perfect time to pause and think, what do we really want this year? For us, it's simple. More moments like this. More time outside. More laughter, more presence, and less rush. Moments with Logan, Dirk running in circles, and just letting life unfold a little slower. And for you, what do you want to make space for? What small, meaningful intentions can you set for yourself? No big resolutions, no pressure, just choices that bring a little more joy, connection, and calm. So as we step into 2026, we want to hear more from you. What will you do differently? What will you celebrate? Let's make this year one full of small wins, laughter, and moments that really count.